Hello YouTube, I'm Emil and welcome to my vlog. In this vlog, I'd like to share a huge milestone in my young adult life. Most of my colleagues have changed their workplaces and job position in their social media accounts. So I'll take this opportunity to do a vlog about this huge milestone. So last week, Sunday, March 17, we were officially welcomed to the Google Operations Center. So this is the first GOC in the history of GOC. GOC or people from Google chose the Philippines to be the pioneer in this major operation. Just an overview, GOC is an in-house operation of Google. We still cannot call ourselves Googler because we are not working for Google. Google is still a separate entity from GOC. So if I want to work with Google, I will need to resign from GOC. Instead, we can call ourselves GOCers. So GOC, short term for Google Operations Center para hindi nakakapagod banggitin. So yun na, titigilan ko na yung pag-English, tinakay ko lang, nahihirapan ako, dumudugo na yung ilong ko. So ano nga ba nangyari last Sunday? So last Sunday, may orientation na ganap. Actually po, pagkain nandun na abutan ko. So first part, kakain ka kagad. So ang daming food. Hindi ko na na-videohan yung lunch buffet. Nag-start yung program kung saan in-orient nila kami about yung work namin sa GOC. Before the orientation last Sunday, nagkaroon muna ng town hall meeting last November kung saan nakuha ko tong t-shirt. And also this GOC ball pen. Meron din tumbler pero yung tumbler inarbor na ng ate ko, which is wala na sa akin. Yung town hall meeting na yun, doon parang diniscuss yung magiging opportunity with GOC. So moving forward dun sa event, inorienta kami regarding benefits, pre-employment stuff. Kung ano yung pinagdadaanan natin kapag bagong salta tayo sa isang company, basically yun lang din yung diniscuss sa amin doon. I won't go into details kasi iba medyo confidential. So if you want to be part of GOC, just contact me. Just. Yun. Parang pinapunta lang nila kami doon para busugin. So binigyan din kami ng additional goodies. So meron tayong GOC string bag na naglalaman ng unang-una GOC cap. So kailangan mo ipamukha talaga sa mga tao na part ka ng GOC. Nakikita na din yung pangalan ni Google. So hindi na kami vendor. GOCer na kami. So yung cap. So meron ding payong. So saktong-sakto pag-init. So meron din tayong payong. Lastly, meron tayong tawag dito, planner. Hindi kasi ako gumagamit nito eh. So, yun. So, meron tayong cool na planner dito. Pantapat kay Starbucks planner. So, ayun yung laman ng GOC goodies nung pagka-welcome sa amin sa GOC. I'm not sure kung yung mga goodies like yung cap, the t-shirt is para lang sa mga first batch na-employ sa GOC. Kapag na-hire kayo, let me know kung makakuha din kayo. Diba? If nagbabala kayong mag-apply for a position in GOC, I think nakapost na siya sa JobStreet, sa Caliber, and LinkedIn. So, pwede na kayo mag-apply from there kung gusto nyo maging part ng GOC. And also, makita nyo din yung mga positions na available sa site ng Google Operations Center. So, mayroon careers page doon kung saan mo makikita yung available na positions. Mayroon pang corporate services, may pang service delivery management or SDM, may service operations, which is kung saan ako part. I'm part of the Google Analytics team. Probably kung nasa advertising and marketing industry kayo, may chance kayong makapasok sa GOC dahil ayun yung support role na kinakailangan for Google clients. So, sa mga di pa nakakalam, pag nasa Google account ka, libre yung pagkain mo. So, meron kang breakfast, lunch, dinner, and meron ka din dalawang merienda, which is after ng lunch and after din ng dinner. So, parang midnight snack.
Yeah, baby!
Something like that. Another thing is libreng drinks like coffee, soda, Milo, iced tea. So, yun, libre. Libre lahat yun. Meron ding sleeping quarters. Meron ding games room. Kung gusto mo maglaro ng foosball, table tennis, yung basketball sa arcade, yung ano po tawag doon? Pwede ka rin mag-set up ng PS4 mo or ng Xbox or ng Nintendo Switch. Kung gusto nyo mag-apply at kung gusto nyo magtanong about GOC, go to their page or pwede nyo i-comment below yung mga katanungan nyo. Kung may externally safe na sagot para doon, syempre i-replyan ko kayo. To all my bosses at GOC, if it's restricted to do a vlog about GOC, and please let me know and I will take down this video. Thank you so much and have a great day guys. Bye bye.